back to our channel. Today we are playing Airplane 4.
Airplane 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, I'm coming. I'm doing something here on my home.
Yeah.
Guys, I have a challenge for you. Guess how many years are we?
Bro, we already age reveal. Did you forget?
When?
Yeah, I think you don't remember. Just leave it.
Okay, I'm coming. We're coming in. But
What the hell? Finally, you're here. Baggage. 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 Yo, let's just... Wait, let's drop our baggage here. Drop our baggage here. Here. Drop it. Drop it. Hey, yo.
Okay, drop it.
Oh, never mind. You can't. Okay, come.
You can't drop it.
No. You can't. Come, let's go. Get A. A. Okay, B. Wait, let's join Get C. Leave. Get C.
It's here. I'm coming.
So if there's anything like in airplane 2, remember like you got the bomb and stuff. Yeah. Hey, bro, get in.
I'm in. I reset it.
Bro. Anyways.
Come on.
Wait! Oh! Okay. 1 minute, guys. Yeah!
What's your name? Akshay. What's your real name?
You just told it.
What's your name? Akshay, what's your real name? Polo. What's your name?
You just... Do I eat eggs? Nah, I don't.
What's your name?
Vacation! Bahamas. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always drama when I ring. Guys, tell me in the comments if I'm a better singer than CSI, also known as Cringe SI. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always drama. Bro, we better get the baggage. We better do it. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? Bro, this thingy, we have to get it. Yes, we have to get this thing. I don't even remember where my clothes are. Bro. Oh!
Going to the house.
Ah, shit. From the
What?
screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. I see Dad in the backyard just making some random Borgir. I like Borgir.
Baggage.
Bargage.
I want my baggage.
No, I'm just gonna take it up. That's it. Why can't we just take it up? Like why do we have to just go down? Or we can just from up we just be like slam dunk. Poo! throne. Start. We have to start packing. We have to start packing. We have to start packing. We have to start packing.
Hey, where's my...
Bro, come fast.
I want my luggage.
Come fast. Come fast. Come fast. Bro, you need it. You need to start. You need to. Okay. Okay. We have to go. I need to chill. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
20 seconds left. No. Oh, mine is finished. Nice. Go keep it fast. Only one, I think. Like what happened to our pant? Who the hell?
Oh my god.
Ships. No, ships. Oh no, ships. Is he going to die? Oh wait. Oh, never mind. He's not dying. Cookies will see. Napkin name. Ticketing to your baggaging. From the screen.
No. I didn't find my item yet.
Get it fast.
Oh, no.
Hartish, 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh!
Oh,
Wait, where's my shoes? Bro. Find all the shoes.
for me it's a cookie t-shirt. You know where is the cookie t-shirt?
Yeah, even I have the cookie t-shirt. I'm supposed to have it. We both have.
I still don't have it.
Wait here. Oh yes, found it. My shoes. My drippy Nike. I got my Nike. I mean, these are my Air Jordans. Yeah. मेरे गन देखो.
Where's the other guy?
IDK. You,
7, 6.
ships. You can do this. Oh wait. He got it. He did. Now, why is there a rotten burger? I'm not eating that. Now, like, why do you want me to fall sick? Ayo, where's our luggage?
I stole it.
But, oh, never mind, it's here.
Push.
Hartish, sit next to me. Borgir. Bidigiri. Oi, listen to me right now. Better don't give me that molten burger, or else I'm going to send you to next universe.
We want food.
I'm the not so friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. I better get my food good.
Who wants a burger? Not me.
Me. Don't you dare give me the moldy one. Bro, you in real life be like, no, I don't want a burger. You in the game be like, yes, I'm so hungry. Nah, like this is so long. Like if we would have ended it by now if it was rivals.
That's all.
Yeah. Ships. Burger. Yeah, we all got the best one.
Ching to my mouth.
Bro, imagine Ronald McDonald appears out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, my drama went away.
Oh, my drama.
Man, the president congratulated the brave hero that saved the life above the presidential plane.
That's us. If you haven't...
Wow, can you imagine? Saving a plane? Yeah, us.
Us. If you haven't seen the Airplane 3 video, go check it out. Link in description.
President
Or
said
just find
Congress
it in
has
my
to mandate-
channel.
Yes, the police wants everybody in Roblox here to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case.
Brr.
How could someone possibly escape for something like that?
That's you. Oh shit. Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Running back to us.
Ouch! Ouch!
Like, there's no way we make it in time.
Oh shit.
Unless we use our flights.
Yeah.
Imagine we use a flight.
Yeah, that's what. We use a flight to get a flight. I think.
This is the first time I'm playing Aeroplane 4.
Yeah, it's so nice. I just love it. I've played it before.
Imagine we use flights.
No, no. Hey, come.
Airplane.
Wait.
Imagine we put
How did bro no clip through the whole wall? Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's here. Yo! Yo! We using flights to get to flights. Harshad better not die.
Really? They actually use flights?
Yeah. Look at this. They're going to use flights to get to a flight. He's gonna open it. Look. See, I told you.
Guessing that we are going to use this. No, I just really guessed.
We get to the airport to... Yeah.
Just fly to our destination.
And again flying to another destination. Yeah, okay, we can just fly. Okay. We are wasting a lot of time from these countdowns.
I'm just hello. What? Oh.
Nah, I'm nervous. I'm kind of nervous. Imagine I die. Bro. Other side, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
He's got a notebook.
Yeah, we are gone. Why can't we just use a literal car? Just a car is enough. A car is literally enough. Wait, that's it. Bro, get up. Okay, down.
No.
Did you die?
I'm stuck in this. No.
Go down. I'm a expert flyer. I play PTFS every morning.
Oh, hi. Oh, I'm already dying. Running.
Wait, what? I haven't seen this in the game before. Secret 3. Yeah, I'm at the airport.
Oh, I'm like 2 HP.
Wait for everyone to finish. Eat your
2 HP.
burger. Eat your
I didn't save my burger. See my HP.
Oh shit. Eat your budigiri. Oh yeah, right.
I don't have my burger.
Oh yeah. Then why did you make us fly over there? Bruh. Nah, this is not an actual father. Nah. Wait, oh yeah, this is the part where Ronald McDonald shows up, right? Wait, where's my baggage? No, I can just see. Hartish, better be careful.
What do I do? I have no health.
I don't know what do you do. The correct answer for how do you do is how do you do only. So,
Yeah.
how do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do? How do you do? Oh my god! We'll make a part 2 for this. So, that was such a okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned. So, bye.